sorry I've not done video for a long time. I'm trying to get into Mobazan Star, so yeah. Sorry I'm a little... Okay, so I'm playing the game. It's kind of like Flappy Bird. See? Look. He's so cute. It's so easy. Kind of. I don't know because I've never played it. So, yep. Okay. Okay, start again. Okay. It's exactly a copy of Flappy Bird. It's definitely a copy of Flappy Bird. Wow. Just wow. If you guys play this game, it's a copy of Flappy Bird. It's just a copy. That is so copyrighted. I made Flappy Bird. I made this, but this is totally a copy. Only if this was made before Flappy Bird. That was Flappy Bird. Ah! Okay. Okay, I don't care. Ugh. Phoenix. Beautiful. Balloon. Our bigger balloon. Wow. There we go. Gotta lose. There we go. Cancel. I guess we'll play one more game and then hopefully I'll be into some stuff soon. Oh. So I really want a lot of subscribers because I really want them all to subscribe on me. Like that will ever happen. I always want like that. My mom never. She doesn't even know I do that. She doesn't even know I watch Half Mouse though. Blech. Okay, I guess that's gonna be the end of my video, so bye guys!